बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
आर्मी चीफ जनरल कमर जावेद बाजवा ने वाजे कर दिया कि पाकिस्तान को तनकीद का निशाना बनाने की कोशिश पर खामोश नहीं रहा जा सकता। मिलिट्री एकेडमी काकोल में तकरीब से खिताब में आर्मी चीफ ने तवक्को का इजहार किया कि तालिबान खवातीन और इंसानी हुकूक से मुताल्लिक आलमी बरादरी से किए गए वादे पूरे करेंगे।
Being imparted here, the profound glimmer and unconquerable resolve in your eyes is what our enemies dread the most. Your resounding oath will continue to echo in the hearts of everyone present here today. I am sure till such time this resolve, love of motherland and unflinching sincerity continues to animate our spirits, we need not fear anyone except Allah Almighty. My dear cadets, today Pakistan is alhamdulillah strong and progressing well among the community of nations despite living in turbulent times. The month of August is a reminder of our priceless freedom earned after a long, arduous and unprecedented struggle and sacrifices of our forefathers. Our vibrant and industrious youth is our pride, and I believe that the commandments of Quaid-e-Azam, unity, faith and discipline will continue to guide you as future military leaders through numerous challenges that you will face in your careers. Ladies and gentlemen, I honestly believe that till the time we are together and united as a nation, no power on earth can think of harming us. The world is witness to our resolve that despite numerous socio-economic changes after independence, we have not only managed to survive but also became a strong country, overcame the worst form of terrorism, and have stood firm to guard every inch of our motherland. A recent example of our resolve is our national response against both COVID and locust attack, wherein despite the lack of requisite infrastructure and resources, we displayed matchless harmony, discipline and imagination to contain their adverse effects. May Allah Almighty be with you and may continue to serve this nation with pride, honor, dignity and with great sense of sacrifice. Pakistan Army Zindabad, Pakistan Painda.